Wow,
No
young Kuzeli.
Yeah.
Wow, young
Yeah, my
Kuzeli.
brother. How are you?
Yeah,
Good in
with the
yourself.
auspicious.
Hey, wow,
The
young
man of,
Kuzeli.
Hi, sharp, man.
the man of the hour.
Hey, manje wenzani amazayizayi?
I'm Brahma Zaizay and Tusela. Lama Zaizay
Yeah, no. I hope to say, you know what? You need to be honest. You must be honest to your conscience, bro. Uyabona?
Episode.
Because labantu laba mangimamele laphana ngoba ngilalela lento lena. Labantu laba
Kaiser said, you know, these people, they fought amongst each other to a point that they butchered each other, you know, like the dogs they are, you know, during the Biafra War. What makes you think wena auspicious nabantu bazokuthanda?
Yes. Those carnivores. Because they are human eating flesh, those people.
Wena auspicious.
Yes.
No, man. Auspicious kuswa yini leguri yakhe nalabantu. Beka bracketa uDaiding uZandile. Shoot manje the way bebalanza uZandile ngakhona uyawahlabeka uyangithola. iSouth African laphuma kuwe.
Echina net labantu mfethu nebasebasithuka zonke mfethu bakhuluma ngama-30.
Kade banithuka nonke.
You can try to ignore them, but there'll be a time where you just can't.
It's not an excuse.
They're always like this, labantu laba. They're always like this. You see them on the street, ungathi ungavele umfaka ibhutsi ukhahlele emnqondo.
Baba Voss.
Uyabona auspicious. You are being used, bruh. When I hear izinto that you have done, bruh, I'm saying this guy, I mean, on earth, where does he come from? Mentality, upstairs, unjani. Now he's being exposed to how useless he is. To associate yourself with
also using them.
Auspicious, why?
Like, wouldn't you agree that to some extent you were also using them?
Yeah, I also use them, yeah.
Okay.
But was it lucrative? Was it worth
it? At the expense of your own people. At the expense of your own people. At the expense of your own people. At the expense of your own people.
Ireland is burning. But Ireland is burning since yesterday. Interesting. Auspicious, tell me one thing. What made you to request here?
No, I just want to come in and have a conversation.
Auspicious, you stopped coming to our panels. You stopped, like, completely. They don't want foreigners. Guys, guys, I'm going out. I'm going to burn the city here. Ireland is burning. They don't want foreigners.
I didn't know. You know, auspicious. I always get the
protein.
No, but okay, auspicious. Please initiate the conversation that you would want us to have with you, because at this particular moment, me personally, as novel on stage, okay, I can name all my accounts. I don't know what conversation I would want to have. Can you please initiate it so that we would know what conversation you'd like us to have?
Yeah, but if I start talking, it's going to drop and run, because I'm gonna call him that word that rhymes with no stop.
Nah, so don't do that. As I was with Auspicious now on Susu's live, Auspicious is not with those guys anymore.
Machiavelli.
Oh, but Machiavelli throw us under the bus. Machiavelli, I would do the same thing.
I would do the same.
Machiavelli, can you please?
No. It's all something.
Wait.
Oh, you're going to place, man. Some fucking place once.
Wait.
No. Listen, guys, wait, guys. Machiavelli, not, you know, my brother, you are my brother, like, you are my brother from, but this one, This one, please, I urge you, my brother, with the warmest of heart.
Stay
This
away
one,
from
please,
it.
just sit this one out.
Out.
Nyakela,
Read the
brother.
room. Read the room,
Nyakela.
Makaveli.
This one, you know, my brother, I love you so much, but this one, I urge you, can just sit this one out, and you would understand why we are asking you to do that.
Yeah, I begin to tell you something. I was with him on Susu's live now. I mean, I guess they blocked me. So I was listening. Yeah, well, I listened for 2 hours. He's been there for 2 hours on that panel. Yeah, man, for 2 hours. Yeah, man, all speeches is not with those people anymore, gents. I'm telling you, they gifted him. I'm telling you, they gifted him. No, hang on.
Don't trust it.
So, can I say something? So, can I say something?
Once Peter, twice shy.
It's in really something. It's in something.
Machiavelli.
It's in something.
Wait, you don't want to understand one thing.
Shit, walk.
Yeah.
Kaizer we forward lapho fana uyise kule packet awu he igaba lakho revolver
All right, guys.
solve fast.
Auspicious. Oh, great, now, Jam.
Agamanate braga. Don't.
Yeah, and then I learn a good everything out here.
But
Machiavelli, sit this one out, bro.
Machiavelli
Machiavelli,
no, one drop. Okay, fine. Okay. It's in mute again. It's in mute. No. So it's in mute. It's in mute.
Wena Machiavelli abobhoda mfethu uzibethela ibaby elihle abuzishilela nebaby dizibhondele yabo uzishayela i6 yakho azishayela i6 nizirelaxele nje nibukela iNetflix mfethu.
But Bafethu, I'm frustrated about specials. Bafethu, he's from there, he's frustrated, and then he's coming to you guys for you guys to comfort him. Come on, gents. Come on, never.
I did a 360.
No, we are just doing it damage control. We are just doing it damage control.
But Machiavelli mute for
No,
now.
but he made he made a mistake.
Machiavelli, mute for now, man. I want to hear this gentleman. Give this gentleman a chance.
look, it's not a matter of you said you want to have a conversation. So, Mina, I'm interested in knowing what conversation you'd like to have with us.
I know. We can just talk about anything, man.
Excuse me?
We can just talk about anything.
But to confess your sins. Lapha ku comment section.
So,
But-
guys, what do you guys want to do? You want to grill me?
No, we don't have like honestly, Mina, I don't have the energy for that. I'm going to drop anyway, anytime from now. But Mina, I feel like I can't say it's too soon, but I don't see the relevancy of the conversation now. Honestly speaking, personally, this is me.
But I wasn't paying attention.
I'm not the host, but I don't see a need currently to be hosting you and discussing what happened in the past. I don't see the need. Maybe the host does, but personally, I don't see it because
He requested, so cause I always say that at the end of the day, these South Africans, when Nova, my friend, these South Africans, they're all dumb cops, especially these Pan-Africanists who always advocate for foreigners, because when off stage, should this country burn down to the ground, we'll be building South Africa together with these dumb cops, and these so-called foreigners, they won't be here. They gonna, what South Africa burns to the ground, these foreigners,
so one issue about me is I have these boundaries, that there are certain boundaries that a person must never cross once a person crosses those boundaries, it's difficult for me to reconcile. These are
I'll cross them now, ufuna ukuthini? I'll cross those boundaries manje mina.
I would actually stay away from conversing with you because of there are non-negotiable things that in a struggle or in any way, those things are non-negotiables. The moment that line is broken, I don't know how to come back again. And I feel like he did that, and I don't see a need why I should show mercy or whatsoever towards him. That's why I'm going to drop now because of I don't see a need to have a conversation with him. You know,
maybe I'm the
you can't break with me.
maybe I'm the one who should drop guys if you don't feel comfortable.
No. Me, I want to hear Auspicious Uruba Taure. I'm from the Southwestern Township. Hi guys, I want to hear.
No, I'm not gonna say anything here. I'll just listen.
No, but to go
Okay,
Auspicious,
anyway,
where's the
now
general?
I came to say this. Makaveli, just give guys, how are you?
Sorry, Peter. Sorry.
Hello, Peter.
Yeah. Hi guys. The reason Kiken is because I saw Auspicious here, but anyway, earlier I was here nikiba phone ya ka itimile ne kwata o bolela case or hi. Ona le topic kwa go ha so ke kena ku di living tse ke ithuletse fela ke kenela ho ya so ke thola Auspicious mo na le bona abasa mo grilla ai gutshile ke maketsa ba morwa ke ai khona ditaba di shubi bo hlale le bitso la he so yona nane ke tntshwe ha ke tla for the second time because phone ya ka ida deep ha ke tla for the second time ke bona Auspicious that's why ke batla o mutla yena o ruto ring mo ka re o tswa ha so ba tswa lo morwa ka teng mara then nane ke tletse taba re an qotsela an tlore ne ba reng ka Kaiser because of ku fitlile le mole le bitso la Kaiser skis phone ya ka I wele
All right. About Kaiser, there's is Kelly who said Kaiser insulted her. Called her a crossbreed. These are things that I just heard.
Mara okay Auspicious na hore ke stop ho tla ko living ya hao enele kana go ele o kene haholo ho bona and I can understand when other people don't want to listen to you o kene ka manala le ditsebe ho no wentse jang
No, I was giving them a platform to submit.
Isn't that what you said about us? You remember? Wait. Isn't the same thing that you said about us when you were exposed? I remember I was listening to you. I stayed there when the Patriots, but I stayed there. You said the same thing. Go visit Rwanda. No, it was only because you were starting a platform. So why understand until you go
Pile, let me
No,
what you said. You remember Auspicious said that we are jealous of his platform. We only want our platforms to be the bigger platforms. So why are we there controlling his platform? Why are we even jealous? Because we have bigger platforms. He wants to grow the platform. That's what he said. But anyways, Mina, let me tell you, my brother, Auspicious, I'm not comfortable with having you here. And gube nyak dropa. And
I think
it's the common feeling around the people in this life.
Because exactly nami angiunderstand ukuthi yini azoyisho ukhuluma the same thing bekayikhuluma ngalesa sikhathi and khona manje bakhuluma indaba zokuthi bebamthembisa imisebenzi so uyayibona lento yobuThixos
abantu abafake phile abantu fake and Auspicious is fake, very fake. I'm not going to lie to you, Auspicious. You are very fake. You came to us. You tried to use us. You isolated yourself, and here you are. You made your bed. Lay on it. And one thing that you must remember, you guys can go to this platform.
You spoke nonsense
I'm gonna accept, and you will not until as long as I have powers. You will never be accepted in this platform. In this panel. As long as I have more powers, I will drop him. Because he did the same on other patriots. Moderators, please, man, challenge I'm block and then I go live. Anga says I go live. Because he pickle, and it's we don't deal with pickles. We had never pickle manning about Astrid and all those things. Why go back at him and favor? Let him suffer the same consequences about suffering about Astrid and all those people about betraying. Let it be. Let it be. Mina kubeka ngambele kube nyambloka nala kule platform angezi nokuza.
Lento isho yile bekayisho the time asho kithi.
He came to us. Azange thina simlande. He came to us athi yena uyiPatreon. But all of a sudden yena sekafika futhi sekasitshintshela. Uzoba umuntu lukewarm. Akahambe. Nimbloke nala ku platform. It's not like Nyamzonda and stuff, but I don't feel like he deserves a spot in this platform. And if you guys feel like you want to give him a platform here, then it's fine. You can give him. I'll not come to this platform. Nizoba write mina ngizohlalela kuma comment section. Because no, you're not going to deal with you. I'm a picture bafethu. I'm very serious.
Tom Cop. I told him earlier on his panel that he's a Tom Cop, you know. You sell your own people to Kweres, you know. What kind of nonsense is that? Imagine selling your own people, your own blood. Yeah, the same people that you share the same struggle with. I told him on his panel that is a Tom Cop. He even dropped me.
Who, guys? You know? Who are you talking about, guys?
Auspicious, the Tom Cop. I told him that. I told him
to come on your platform. Drop block lo muntu bafethu, then we move on with life. Drop lo muntu blocking and all those things.
You see,
we're not going to continue like this.
Guys, I'm going to go off stage.
No, Auspicious.
Guys, Case is second in command yakhuluma la. Off stage is the second in command. Nimhloniphe. No, Case akaye phansi.
No, he will do this down there. Like, trust me. Marayenze man.
Kaiser, uhloniphe second in command too. Please.
Konja nami drop anytime. Okay, so pay to you. Yes.
Ngizothatha ama powers wakho ngawari.
So not drop Kaiser, please, man. Bring him out.
So. Shut up.
You see, we need to be firm as a people. We need to have non-negotiables, and I feel like we can't even afford to platform this guy at this point. I don't want to hear anything from him.
Exactly my point.
I don't want to hear anything from him. I don't.
Auspicious is also stage.
Auspicious.
So if we cannot afford to be like at what point are we going to imagine this thing happened today and immediately he calls back to us, Mara guys, we have a problem.
Kaiser funeka khalisale phansi le sound yakho. Ya akayekhalisa bonga azana. Ngiyabonga azana akayekhalisa le phansi kuma comment section abhala ama lyrics.
Guys, mina ngiyaphinda ngiyasho ngithi we cannot afford to give a person unekhaya EFF. Why is he running back to us? This thing happened, so it happened today, but immediately after today he's running back to us. Kanzinja Antina, are we that?
Remember, we are humans. We are humans.
That is why I said he has a platform. A platform yake. Abo Astrid, they are suffering the very same consequences. Why go back at this simnikeza special treatment? Why kuba ngathi simphatha special or some sort of like that? Akekho special la kule platform. He doesn't deserve a space on this platform after what he did.
Hayi bo
And let's
Kaizer
move on,
mfethu
guys.
sishaphi Kaizer?
Guys, and let's
Phuzi
move on.
cartoon, lemshayile cartoon.
We have given him enough. Kune topic at hand. We can even move on. Please.
Mara
We can
Kaizer
move on
yini
and talk about something.
Mara K.
Kaizer ufuna ngikublock ke manje.
Mara K.
Kaizer hlonipha second in command, yakhuluma second in command la. Out there akutelela no. Sitile na. No.
Zuko. Leader Z, can you please come up to like maybe the behavior? Leader Z, you are only saying.
Hey guys, let's continue. Ngicela nifake ni lapha ku big screen. As we continue, I had some commanders wanting to see ukuthi kwenzakala ne Ireland. You can put on the big screen, moderators. Expand me.